Question number 39. When there is a prematurity in centric occlusion but not in eccentric or other movements, then reduce cusp of opposing teeth, mesiodistal position of teeth, opposing fossa or marginal ridge, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, opposing fossa और marginal ridge को हम reduce कर देंगे. Next question, lateral shift जिसको Bennett movement भी बोलते हैं, influences what? Faciolingual position of teeth, mesiodistal position of teeth, both of the above, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, faciolingual position of teeth. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द टर्म आर्कॉन वॉज क्वाइंड बाय. बेसिकली आर्कॉन टर्म किसने दिया है? बर्गस्टॉर्म, हेन्यू, गिलिस, फिश. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, बर्गस्टॉर्म. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बेनेट मूवमेंट इज क्या है? बेसिकली डायरेक्ट लेटरल साइड शिफ्ट ऑफ द मैंडिबल दैट ऑकर्स साइमल्टेनियसली विथ लेटरल मैंडिबुलर एक्सकर्जन. Direct lateral side shift of the mandible that occurs simultaneously with medial mandibular excursion. Direct medial side shift with medial mandibular excursion. Direct lateral side shift with medial mandibular excursion. The correct answer is option A, direct lateral side shift of the mandible that occurs simultaneously with lateral mandibular excursion. Next question, central incisor tooth arrangement in tapering arch is. Your options are rotation of incisors on their long axis inward at the distal aspect, rotation of incisors on their long axis inward at the facial aspect, rotation of incisors on their long axis inward at the mesial aspect, central incisor almost in a straight line. The correct answer is option A, rotation of incisors on their long axis inward at the distal aspect. Next question, palatal cusp of upper posterior teeth in complete denture patient should fall on crest of mandibular ridge, lingual to crest of mandibular ridge, buccal to crest of mandibular ridge, buccal vestibule. The correct answer is option A, crest of mandibular ridge. Next question, when testing arrangement of teeth at the trial insertion of a complete denture. ओके, बेसिकली ट्राई इन कर रहे हैं उस प्रोसीजर में. द लोअर लिप शुड व्हेन प्रोनाउंस द लेटर एफ is 50 in 50. Your options are be anterior to maxillary incisors, not come near maxillary incisors, light contact maxillary incisor, incisal edge, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, light contact maxillary incisor, incisal edge. Next question, buccolingual width of posterior teeth should be equal to the width of the natural teeth they replace, greater than the width of the natural teeth they replace, lesser than the width of the natural teeth they replace. Width of artificial posterior teeth is a matter of operator's preference. Okay, the correct answer is option C, lesser than the width of the natural teeth they replace. Next question, question number 47. In complete denture construction, labiodental sounds F and V are used to determine what, है ना? Vertical placement of upper anterior tooth, labiolingual position of anterior tooth, anterior-posterior position of anterior tooth, space between tongue and anterior part of hard palate. The correct answer is option A, vertical placement of upper anterior tooth. Next question, when noting condylar guidance, incisal pin should be in contact with guidance table, out of contact, not at all related, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, out of contact. In complete denture setting, for better aesthetic, the maxillary anteriors are set. So better aesthetics के लिए basically maxillary anteriors को कैसे set करेंगे? CD patient में parallel to the middle of the face profile, parallel to the profile of the lower of the face, skeletal profile has no role in aesthetic teeth setting, parallel to the inner canthus angle of the mouth line. The correct answer is option D here. So basically हम पैरेलल करेंगे टू द इनर कैंथस एंगल ऑफ द माउथ लाइन के. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मार्क द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स रिक्वायरिंग कॉन्टैक्ट बिटवीन द लिप्स एंड टीथ, लेबियोडेंटल्स जिसको बोलते हैं. ऑप्शंस आर डी टी आई, बी पी एम, टी एच, एफ पी एच वी. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, एफ पी एच वी. Next question, one of the following rules explain about the grinding of certain cusps to produce balance in lateral movements. Options are Andy rules, Bull's rule, Wolff rule and Szynski rule. The correct answer is option B, Bull rule. Next question, In complete denture teeth setting, to achieve a fully balanced occlusion, the posterior teeth should have 0 degree cuspal inclination. Cuspal inclination does not play a part. The most ideal is 33 degree cuspal inclination and 45 degree cuspal inclination is a must. The correct answer is option C. The most ideal is 33 degree cuspal inclination. Next question. Proper lip support for complete denture is provided primarily by, your options are convex surface of labial flange, facial surface of teeth and simultated gingiva, thickness of border in the vestibule, festooned carvings on facial surface. The correct answer is option B, facial surface of teeth and simultated gingiva. Next question. Leon Williams classification given an idea about number of teeth and size of the arch, residual alveolar ridge, form of tooth and face, color of artificial tooth. The correct answer is option C here, form of tooth and face. Next question. The incisal guidance that assures the maximum stability in a denture is 15-25 degrees, 0 degree, less than 15 degree, 45 degree. The correct answer is option B, 0 degree. Next question. During pannate movement or shift of mandible, condyle of working side exhibit bodily forward movement, condyle of non-working side exhibit bodily lateral movement, condyle of working side exhibit bodily lateral movement, condyle of working side exhibit bodily lateral and forward movement. The correct answer is option C, condyle of working side exhibit bodily lateral movement. Next question. Balanced occlusion with non-cuspal teeth is achieved by compensating curves, incisal guide, balancing ramps, none. 57 का आंसर है A, compensating curves. Which of the following is utmost important factor considered in balanced occlusion with little change in aesthetic and change in inclination or amplitude leads to the loss of facial appearance? Okay, options are inclination of condylar guidance, compensating curve was P, inclination of incisal guidance, cuspal height and angulation. The correct answer is option C, inclination of incisal guidance. Next question. Spherical theory is proposed by Bonville, Monson, Hall, Hanyu. The correct answer is option B, Monson. Question number 60. In Bonville equilateral triangle, the apex of triangle is located at the anterior part of incisive papilla, at the prominent part of chin upper central, at the anteromost part of incisor, at the anteromost part of lower central incisor. Now the correct answer is option D, at the anteromost part of the lower central incisor. Next question. The term chroma aspect in selection of artificial teeth refers to, options are degree of saturation of hue, intensity of value, both value and hue, none of the above. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, डिग्री ऑफ सैचुरेशन ऑफ ह्यू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.